Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today we're talking about BOLT.NEW versus Cursor AI. So guys, we know the comparison between these two software. So guys, the BOLT.NEW, it is just like ChatGPT. You want to build, you can build prompts, you can run and edit and deploy full stack web and mobile app. You can import from Figma, and you can build a mobile app with Expo, and you can start blog with Astro, and you can create a doc site with WordPress, and you have all this option guys. Blank app with your favorite stack. You have this option, for example, you can help you today. You can upload a file from on your computers, and you can get started up from here. If you check connect Google, you can sign up with Google account. And after that guys, you can sign up with Google account as I said, and you have a lot of collab with different sources and platform. So guys, you have here privacy. And from Cursor guys, this is AI code editor. You can build to make productivity, and you can run codes and edit codes and generate codes. And you, as you can see here guys, you can generate a lot of things like HTML codes. If I scroll down guys, you have edit natural languages, and you can using write code using instructions and or function with simple prompts, as you can see here guys. And you can build software faster, and it is best way with code AI. And you have powered by Mix, and you can import extensions. You have a lot of options. This is the pricing guys, have different plan and pricing. So guys, maybe this is the go-to software both you can use and you want to do. And I hope guys this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.